Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna install SW-MOTECH GS Pro Tank bag. So we have here a Pro Tank ring, we have a mounting plate for the tank bag and the tank bag. So we're gonna install this kit on Kawasaki Versys 1000. First step is to replace the tank ring with the one provided by SW-MOTECH. So we're gonna need to replace this one here. Yeah, I put this one so make sure I don't drop anything in the fuel tank. Another 2 bolts to remove. We need to clean it up a little bit under the ring. Now we are ready to install the new ring with the fuel cap. Next step is to put this metal ring on top of the metal plate on top of the ring we just fitted. So we're gonna need to put it in place, secure it with 2 bolts. Next, we need to attach the magnetic plate to the metal plate. Two more bolts. Now we have like 2 little nuts. Looks like 2 little spacers with a Allen in one end. So I need to put them right here. Now the ring and the magnetic plate are secure, so we can we can put the bag on. Now we're gonna fit the base plate on the tank bag. Before we're gonna fit the plate, very important thing, don't forget about this, is the release cord. So the release cord needs to be through the bag into the release clamp. If you forget this, it's not gonna be easy to take the bag off the bag. This is the little hole where the release strap needs to go through. So we're not gonna tighten the bolts just yet. We're just gonna put it on the tank and adjust it first to see how and what position it works better, and then we're gonna need to tie the bolts. But on this situation it's pretty much all the way to the front, so okay, so this is all the way to the back. Now we need to tighten all the bolts up and put it back on the bike. Now to release the bag, you just need to pull this cord, the lower side, and the bag is released. So this is how you fit the SW-MOTECH tank bag on a Kawasaki Versys 1000.